Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kadekar. I would like to welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 12. Today's rubric is absent mindedness. What is meant by absent mindedness? Absent mindedness means it is a forgetfulness and inattentive in his surrounding. There is no fixation of mind at all. Absent minded often forget the things or does not pay attention to what is happening near them because they are thinking about their things, other things. People who are not doing anything and still he don't respond to the ordinary calls although he has no other thoughts in his mind. This is absent mindedness. What is the Hindi meaning? Hindi meaning is अनुपस्थित दिमाग. मराठी meaning विचारमग्न, शून्य मनसक, सभोवतालच्या परिस्थितीबाबत भान नसलेला, विसराळू. This is Marathi meaning. Then what are the remedies for absent mindedness? First is Apis mellifica, Cannabis indica, Causticum, Chamomilla, Helleborus, Lachesis, Mezzerium, Natchumur, Nux moschata, Platina, Pulsatilla, Ammonium carp, Briata carp, Briatamur, Iocymus, Maccarp, Merck, Moschus, Nux vomica, phosphoric acid, plumbum, and spongia. So these are the group of remedies for absent-mindedness. Now we will see the some differentiating remedies of absent-mindedness. First, that is ammonium carb. In ammonium carb, the absent-mindedness is during conversation when absent-mindedness due to inadvertence, absent-mindedness in old age and absent-minded spoken to when. This is ammonium carb. Then Briata carb. Briata carb absent-mindedness, especially in children's that is the school-going children's, old age people, reading while and spoken to when. This is Briata carb absent-mindedness. Then Dulcamara. In Dulcamara absent-mindedness, especially in the morning, afternoon, evening, conversation when, absent-mindedness with dreaming, absent-mindedness with inadvertence, absent-minded reading while, working when at. This is Dulcamara. Then Maccarp. Maccarp absent-minded, especially in children's, writing while especially. Then Nux moschata. Nux moschata absent-mindedness, it is dreamy, periodical, short, lasting attacks of absent-mindedness. Then reading while. Then stands in one place and never accomplish what he undertakes. Absent-minded, waking, does not know where he is or what to answer on. This is Nux moschata. Then Spongia. Spongia absent-mindedness, especially in children's, absent-minded cheerfulness alternating with absent-mindedness, absent-mindedness, dreamy, with inadvertence, absent-minded, work when at. This is Spongia. So these are some differentiating remedies. Now we will see the cross references for absent-mindedness. First is absorbed buried in thoughts. What is meant by absorbed? Absorbed means it is intensely engaged or engrossed in thoughts. The mind is directed toward one problem, fi- fixed in one thoughts, very interested in something and not paying attention to anything else, having one's attention fully engaged, greatly interested. This is absorbed. Then abstraction of mind. Now, what is the abstraction? Uh, it is inattention of mind or absence of mind may perform all their duties but forgets everything. Preoccupied, or he may talk and communicate, but he is very much in his own world or far less able to attend to the things of the present moment, or there is a complete blank when going about the things. This is abstraction of mind. Then concentration difficult. Concentration means the ability to direct all your effort and attention to one thing without thinking of their other things. This is concentration. Then daydreaming. Daydreaming means it is the ideal and pleasant thoughts. Dream like fantasy experienced when awake that makes you forget about present. Daydreaming is the stream of consciousness that detaches from current external tasks when attention drifts to more personal and internal direction. So, we can understand here that these peoples are detached from the external world and absorbed in their own frantic imaginary world. This is daydreaming. Then dullness. Dullness means it is a mental condition when a person is dull and sluggish, slowness in thinking, comprehending, and response. This is dullness. Then next, dream as if in a dream means it is a series of mental image and ideas and emotion occurring in a certain stage of sleep, or it is a series of thoughts, images, and sensation occurs in a person's mind during sleep. This is dreams. Then fancies absorbed in. What is my fancies? Fancies means it is a flight of imagination or a daydreaming, inclination to absorb in one particular type of thoughts or something as a internal desire without any reasoning. Imagination, especially creative imagination, a fancy is a liking or a desire for someone or something, especially one that does not last long, or it is a mind forms images or representation of things at a pleasure. This is fancies. Then forgetfulness. Forgetfulness is a failure to remember, having a poor memory, failing to keep in mind, or these peoples become non-attentive or they forget the things because of emotions, so that emotion make them so. It can be fear, sadness, anger, grief, or anything, differing in each uh, medicine. Then forgotten something feels constantly as if he had. Forgotten means to fail to recall or unable to remember to do something, lost from the memory. Then next cross reference, memory, weakness of memory. What is meant by memory? Memory is the ability to remember, capacity for holding of information in mind. Then next cross reference, mistakes, names, calls things by wrong. What is a mistake? Mistake is an error or mistake in speech or their work. Parents says about their children that they write so fast that they do so many mistakes while writing, or they say that their children are always in hurry because they want to play or they don't want to do any work, or so they make mistake. Not only writing but while speaking they speak too so fast that they do mistaking speaking too when. So this is mistakes. Then next cross reference, preoccupied. Preoccupied means thinking or worrying continuously about something so that you do not pay attention to other things, or it is absorbed in one's own thoughts, lost in thoughts or engrossed. This is preoccupied. Then staring, thoughtless. Staring means to look fixedly or vacant at someone or something with a wide open eye. This is staring. Then thoughtless. Thoughtless means it is characterized by or showing lack of thought or lack in consideration for others. Then next cross reference, thoughts vanishing, loss of. Thoughts means idea, notion, or it is an idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring occurring suddenly in the mind, or it is the action or process of thinking. Here the thoughts disappear suddenly, thought ceases to flow all of a sudden. That is thoughts vanishing, loss of. Then thoughts wandering. When thoughts lose clarity or turn aside, especially for the main subject of attention or course of argument in writing, thinking, or speaking, that is thought wandering. Then unabsorbing. Unobserving means it is a lack of power of observation and hence fail to observe important happenings around them. Inattentive or unobserving means not observing, not noticing, or not perceiving. That is unobserving. So these are all the cross references of absent-mindedness. And what is the miasm of absent-mindedness? The miasm is psychosis, then disease condition or psychiatric condition of absent-mindedness. First is depressive illness, second is anxiety neurosis, third is chronic alcoholic, then dementia, then epilepsy, then pseudo dementia, and lastly schizophrenia. So these are the psychiatric condition of absent-mindedness. So then, thank you.